In this video, I'll show you how to hide your real name on PayPal as much as possible, and what your options actually are. First, it's important to know that with a personal PayPal account, your real name usually appears to people who send or receive money from you. You can't hide your identity from PayPal itself because they need your legal details for security and regulations. If you want more privacy when others see your details, the best option is to use a business account or upgrade to one. In a business account, you can set a business name or brand name, and that's what usually shows on invoices, payment pages, and receipts instead of your full legal name. Open PayPal, go to Settings, then Account or Business Information, and look for options like Business Name, Customer-Facing Name, or Name on Receipts. Enter a proper brand name or shop name, not something misleading or fake, and save your changes. This way, your real name stays mostly private from customers while still being correct in PayPal's records. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.